When you look at Biomeme, this is a company that is able to use an app for use on an iPhone so that you can make field level decisions and diagnostics on certain diseases. And that's where things are today. You're not able to take a specimen and send it back to the lab. You have to make real-time decisions. And the more that medicine is real-time, the more effective it's going to be. And so when you look at somebody like Biomeme, they've been able to modify technology to be able to make those determinations on the fly, and that's fantastic.
Biomeme is taking a proven technology called real-time PCR that was invented over 30 years ago, but we're now miniaturizing it and dramatically simplifying it so that anyone, even a layperson, can do something that typically would require a PhD level molecular biologist in a central lab to be able to do. You can think of Biomeme's technology as a targeted photocopy machine for DNA or RNA. My two co-founders and I started Biomeme about 6 years ago. Initially we were prototyping in Jesse, one of my co-founders' grandmother-in-law's basement, but we've come a long way. The three of us moved to Philly 5 years ago, and from just the three of us, now we're, almost 35 people. Now a 9,000 square foot space here in Center City, Philadelphia. We now have meeting rooms. We used to have to take conference calls in our bathroom, and we are even doing manufacturing here in downtown Center City. Who's doing manufacturing in Center City, Philly? It's amazing. The challenge of what we're doing is it's not just an app. It's not just software or firmware or a web portal, web development. It's also hardware, and it's pretty complicated hardware. I think for a long time, the past decade, the market has moved to centralization. But where I see the future is really in decentralized testing. When you feel sick, typically the first thing that you're going to do is go to an urgent care or the emergency room or call your doctor. And then you're going to have to get out of your bed, feeling sick, and go into the doctor's office. And then from there, they're going to take a sample, send it off to a central lab, and you'll get your results in a couple of days or a couple of weeks. But where we want to be is you feel sick, you stay at home, you stay in bed, and you can run the test yourself. My advice for someone who wants to do a startup, particularly a healthcare startup, is have 2 years of runway, plan accordingly, plan on eating ramen and not having enough money. You can't have a plan B. If you have a plan B, you're always going to take it. It's so hard. We've been going for 6 years, and there have been so many points where definitely if I had had a plan B, I would have run. But you got to be all in. You got to be all in and not have a plan B.